Hi guys, this is Mr. Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. In the equation ax plus 3 squared is equal to 36, a is a constant. If x is equal to negative 3 is one of solution to the equation, what is a possible value of a? Okay, so first of all guys, we can place this x value in this equation and we can rewrite it. So if x is equal to negative 3, then the new equation is going to be like negative 3a plus 3 squared is equal to 36. Then we can take the square root of both parts. Negative 3a plus 3 is equal to 6, or negative 3a plus 3 is going to be equal to negative 6. So let us find the solutions, guys, for these two possible equations. Negative 3a, if negative 3a plus 3 is equal to 6, then negative 3a is going to be equal to 6 minus 3 and 3, and a is going to be equal to negative 1. And for the other solution, if negative 3a plus 3 is equal to negative 6, and 3 goes to the other side and it becomes negative 3, negative 3a is equal to negative 6 minus 3 is equal to negative 9, and a is going to be equal to 3. So in this case, guys, the possible value of a, so there are like two values of a here. One is negative 1, the other one is 3. Since we do not have the 3 in the answer choices here, so a is going to be equal to negative 1, which is C. Next question, question 2. X plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by x plus 1. In the equation above, which of the following is possible value of x plus 1? We can use, guys, cross products for this question. X plus 1 times x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 squared, which is equal to 2. If x plus 1 squared is equal to 2, then we can, guys, take the square root of both parts. And like x plus 1 is going to be equal to positive negative square root of 2. Let us write the, guys, possible values of x plus 1. X plus 1 is going to be equal to square root of 2, positive square root of 2, or x plus 1 is going to be equal to negative square root of 2. So we do not have the, guys, negative square root of 2 here. In answer choices, we have just positive square root of 2. So the correct answer is going to be B. X plus 1. The question says find the possible values of x plus 1. So it'll be, guys, square root of 2, B. Next question, question 3, which is our last question for this section. Okay, so what is the sum of the solutions to x minus 6 times x plus 0.7 is equal to 0? We can use the zero product property. If the product of two factors is equal to 0, then at least one of the factors is going to be equal to 0. So if x minus 6 is equal to 0, then x is going to be equal to 6. And if x plus 0.7 is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative 0.7. And once we add up these two numbers, 6 plus negative 0.7 makes 5.3, which is C. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.